This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both consoles and the network so the link will be stable. Connect each Xbox Series X with Ethernet cables to the same router or directly with a switch. Wired is required for lowest latency. Once done, make sure both consoles are updated to the latest system version and have distinct console names to avoid discovery confusion. Sign in the players who will join. Now that hardware and accounts are ready, proceed to configure multiplayer and network settings on each machine. You'll now configure each Xbox and the game to see each other across the LAN. Go to Settings Network Settings and confirm NAT is open. If it isn't, adjust router settings or forward UDP ports commonly used by the game. Enable local network discovery and multiplayer privileges in privacy settings so consoles can announce themselves. Then launch the game's system link or LAN multiplayer option on both consoles. Create or join the hosted session and verify player visibility before starting the match. You're finishing by hosting the session and confirming everything syncs. On the designated host console, create the LAN match and wait for the other Xbox to detect and join it from its LAN menu. Start a brief test round to confirm game state sync and voice/chat functionality, because timing and frame lock are essential for system link. If you encounter problems, reboot both consoles and router, reseat Ethernet cables, and ensure NAT and port settings match. This resolves most discovery and connection failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.